You don't have to control it all. Let's tap underneath the arm. So it's about 3 inches down from the armpit, about the bra line for women on the side of the rib cage. Your flat hand, your fingertips, whatever feels comfortable for you. Put your hand behind your head, over on your opposite shoulder. I soften, I surrender, I trust myself to navigate this. I soften, I surrender, I trust myself to navigate this. This point helps release insecurity and restores that feeling of inner safety. I soften, I surrender, and I trust myself to navigate this. You don't need the answers today. You just need to breathe.